Hi guys! Good morning, good morning! What's up? Kumusta kayo? Join me today. We're gonna go to Dubai Hills. Puntahan natin ang Dubai Hills. I have a meeting there with my client and my colleague. A little catch up today to discuss what is going on, updates of the brand, at magkita-kita din because we haven't seen for a while, almost 4 months. So, magka-catch up lang tayo. Ipakita ko rin sa inyo yung Dubai Hills. Tara, samahan nyo ako ngayon. Mainit na dito sa Dubai. It's now very hot here in Dubai and UAE in general because it's summer. It's mid of July, so currently around 42 degrees Celsius. Pero yeah, we're used to it. Sanay na kami. Kaya okay lang, medyo kung actually adapted na ng katawan namin yung weather dito. Tingnan nyo, medyo malabo kasi may sunstorm, mahangin at mainit. Ayan, it's now 45 degrees, 11:40 ng umaga. Ayan, mahangin. Dinig nyo yung hangin? Kaya hindi nyo rin makita kahit yung Burj Khalifa. You can see in the right side, that is the Business Bay. Business district area. Now, we are going towards Al Khail Road. Going to Dubai Hills. Ayan. A little bit traffic but not congested. Right now, there's so many trucks. Hindi pa po kasi truck ban. Mamaya pang truck ban peak hours. It's 5 o'clock. So right now, they are allowed to drive in this area. Now we are heading towards Dubai Hills. We are in Al Khail Road. Ayan. Bibilis na mga sasakyan. But it's okay. It's manageable. It's not traffic. Marami lang sasakyan. Ayan na tayo. Heading towards Dubai Hills. Malapit na. From our place at Alamar to Dubai Hills, it takes 25 minutes. 20 to 25 minutes. Depende po sa pagdadrive if you are driving fast. But me, I always drive, I see to it that I drive from 80 to 100 lang. Maximum 100. Packet na tayo going towards Dubai Hills. Ito po ang kagandahan dito. Maayos ang mga kalsada, malinis, walang mga lubak-lubak. Palaging inaayos ka agad. Kaya makikita mo yung development ng UAE at ng Dubai ay mabilis. Mabilis din silang umaksyon sa pag may mga konting damage sa kalsada. Hindi kagaya dyan sa atin, kakalungkot lang na pinapabayaan kasi ang mga pera, ang pondo napupunta sa bulsa ng iilan. Ayan, dito na tayo, papasok na tayo ng parking ng Dubai Hills. Ayan po. This is Dubai Hills. Ayan, papasok na tayo ng parking area. Madali lang naman po dito. Tsaka mga parking area dito malalaki. Kaya mabilis mag-park. Dito tayo sa parking A. Parking kasi ito po yung malapit sa akin from where I came from. Dito na tayo sa Dubai Hills. Yan, papasok na tayo. Ayan. Automatic pa yung door. O, ayan, o. Kusa siya. Ayan, o. Ayan. Mga display dito. Dito na tayo. Kita nyo kaagad dito. Sa kabila is Wagamama. Ito naman Virgin. Ayan. Ayan. Coffee Planet. Shake Shack. Yan ang makikita dito. Tayo sa Ladure. Ayan. Ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo muna kung ano yung mga nandito. Ayan, mga iba-ibang restaurants. May Turkish, Lebanese, Zuso, Chipotle, Etopi, Inco. Ito naman yung Rosa's Thai. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan, may Decathlon na rin pala dito. There's Decathlon here. New York naman sa baba. It's New Yorker down. And in the first floor, it's Decathlon. Besides Decathlon is Sun and Sun Sports. So mga sports wear dito. Ito din, Megastore. And then the other one is Befit. Yan. Sa baba is, you can see down. Ayan, Bershka. Yan, Orban. In my right side is Milano. Ayan. Tapos may Maybach din. Icons of Luxury. Ayan. Omega. Ayan. Wow. How I wish magka-Omega. At ito pala. And this is the Ladure. for now, ikot muna tayo. Maaga pa. That's the Omega. In the ground floor of Omega is a Sephora. Yeah. Ito naman, Meats and Spray. Meats and Trays. Sorry. Yeah. Tabi ng Omega is Forla. Restroom, maraming restroom dito. If you want to go in the restroom, there's for men and for women at the other side. Buti pa sila. Sana all. Dami yung shopping yan. DKNY. Yan, Max Mara. High-end. Oh. Michael Kors, Lacoste. Yan. Ganda oh. And this Zara Home and Zara in the ground floor. May Peet's Coffee din sa gitna. Can see the Peet's Coffee down. Ganda, di ba? Ganda. Ayan, look at that. I will show you this one. Ayan. Ayan o, ang ganda. I will show you more around. Ayan. Cafe Batil in the left side. After Brooks Brothers. Scotch and Soda in the right side. Ayan. Ayan. Cafe Batil is one of the local homegrown brand. The owner is Lebanese. Naging kliyente ko dati. The right side is Letou. It's a French confectionery, and the other side is Madu. Yan. Dami. Ang haba din to pag nag-jogging ka dito. I think it's more than 1 kilometer. And this is Sasha. Faces down and the loop is inside. Tawa, you know? Yan, may New Balance dyan. Ito, Puma, nasa baba. And then Lululemon. Yan. Ito, new brand, Language. Hindi ko alam kung saan brand to. Nice. Ganda, oh. Off London. Ayan, oh, ang ganda. That's the Dome of Dubai Hills. Then, wow. Ganda. And then Nike is in the ground floor. Yan o, gandang tignan, no? Saya. Kakatuwa. Tagal ko na hindi napunta dito sa Dubai Hills. I think it's more than 2 months. Marami ng mga bago ulit. I'll show you the food court area. This is the food court area of Dubai Hills. And may Chaiwala, Baskin and Robbins, Pizza Hut, McDonald's is in my left side. And this is the food court. Medyo social na pagka food court kasi hindi siya congested. Yeah. So there's a lot of choices. Yeah. There's Indian cuisine, there's Charlie's, there's KFC. Yan. May Chinese, May Bombay Chapati, Oporto. In the other side is O'Donnell Circle, Wimpy, El Forno, Italian cuisine, waffle, and many other things. See, there's Jollibee also there. Ayan o. Kita mo yung Jollibee. Ayan. Ayan. Ganda. Ayan. You can show me, ano? Like that. Ayan. Pwede kang umupo dito, ganito. Ayan o. Diba? Ang ganda. Kakatuwa naman. Kids area. Ayan. Adventure Park. R&B sa baba, Adventure Park, Wicked Crab. Ayan. Para ma-entertain yung mga bata. Ayan. And then the ice cream. Here in my right side is the ice cream. Cold Stone. Ayan. Masarap ang ice cream dyan. Lagi kami ng anak ko sa ice cream ng Cold Stone. Ayan. And then dito naman, yan. BBC, medyo affordable na shopping store. Yan. La Bruche naman dyan. Ayan. It's a French patisserie. Then down is Coffee Gray. Ito. Ayan ang Itisalat. Ito naman ang do sa kabila. Guys. Ayan o, yung mga jersey ng FIFA. Ayan, that's the jersey of FIFA. May Canon sa kabila. Ayan. Indigo is down. That's for furniture, living, and furnishings, and play area. Ito sa kabila naman, to gamers. Wow, ang ganda. Yan, ganda oh. Butterfly. Wow. Nice one. No? Ganda ng butterfly. O, di ba? Green na green. Yan. May fit and glam naman sa kabila. Yung mga gusto magpaganda. Yan. Fit and glam. So you can see both in the first level and in the ground floor. Para makita nyo kung anong mga mayroong available dito sa Dubai Hills. And it's the Hoga. Melanin is down. Yan. Ito naman Jamie's Italian cuisine. Yan. Masarap ang pagkain dyan. Italian pasta. Masarap. Tsaka yung tiramisu. See, that's the cartel side. Crate and barrel in the left side. Yeah. See. Yeah. Yan ang Lush. Ayan. Bango kaso hindi kaya ng ilong ko. Kasi may allergy ako sa perfume. Pag masyadong strong ang scent. Ayan. My tribes dyan. And then Eat Greek. Ayan. Yan pala ang Typhoon. And then download din Typhoon is Five Guys. Ayan. Ayan. Modish for summer. Ayan. O nga pala, Dubai Summer Surprises starts on June 15 up to September 15. Ayan. Kaya maraming mga naka-discount, naka-sale. Yan. Yan ang bagong din Typhoon. Yan naman ang Italy. Yan. Sarap din dyan. Ayan, o. Yan. Malawak din to. Nakakapagod ikutin. I think. Please subscribe and like po at pakishare naman po ang aking video. May coffee ko ako habang nagsasalita. Yan. Ito naman, Lazy Boy. By the time na nakaikot na ako, andyan na yung mga kamiting ko. Ito naman, La La Land. Ayan. That's the La La Land. Look at that lights. Chandelier. Cute, no? And this is Hamleys in the left side. And bilhan ng mga toys. Cute. Ace Hardware is down. Yan, ganda. Yan naman ang Cinema, Roxy Cinema. Yan. Yan, Moana. Ang movie. Center Point is down, Virgins is up. Yeah. And then McGraby's in the left side and then Starbucks there. Home Center, tapos si Starbucks. Yeah. There are two Starbucks here in Dubai Hills. One this one and one is in the center. Nandito tayo sa corner na yan. Malapit sa parking yan. And then Toys R Us here in the left side. Ayan. Ayan. Katuwa naman. There you go. Ganda. Ayan. Big puppy. Cute. And this is the Truffle House. Nespresso and Pachi, the favorite local chocolate. That's from Lebanon. And Yan, damas sa baba. Hi, we are now here in Ladure. And here are, yan. See? Yan, ang sarap. See? Yummy. Yan. Ganda, di ba? Yeah. I like the color. It's green. That's the Ladure. Ayan. This one.